The quiet warrior who turned patience into poetry, transforming every test match a masterpiece of resilience and resolve. In a world obsessed with boundaries and strike rates, he reminded us that cricket's greatest beauty lies in the art of simply staying, simply fighting, simply refusing to give up. While others sought glory, he served in silence. This is the story of Cheteshwar Arvind Pujara, India's most formidable number 3. The man who made pain his partner for over a decade, Pujara didn't just play cricket, he lived it, breathed it, and bled for it. When the world celebrated the batting of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, Pujara was busy doing what he did best, standing guard. At number 3, he became India's shield. Every ball he faced was a bullet he stopped for his team. Every hour he spent at the crease was time he bought for India to win. The numbers that tell a story: 103 test matches, each one a battle over 7,000 runs, each run earned with sweat and determination, 19 centuries, 19 stories of pure grit, 35 50s, 35 times he laid the foundation for others to build upon, average of 43.60, consistent, reliable, unbreakable. But here's what makes Pujara special: he's only the second Indian ever to face more than 10,000 balls at number 3. He faced 14,864 balls in that position, imagine that. Nearly 15,000 moments where he stood between India and defeat. In Southampton 2018 he scored 132 runs, 6 hours of pure concentration. In Southampton 2018 he scored 132 runs, 6 hours of pure concentration. While England's bowlers tired, Pujara stood like a mountain. In Ranchi 2017 he scored 202 runs, and spent 11 hours at the crease. 11 hours. That's longer than most of us spend awake and focused on anything. In Johannesburg 2013 he scored 153 runs of pure defiance, shattering the myth that Indian batsmen couldn't conquer South Africa's lightning-fast pitches. But nothing, absolutely nothing, compares to what happened in Australia. The series that made him immortal in the Border Gavaskar Trophy 2018-19, Pujara didn't just play cricket, he rewrote history. Over 500 runs, 3 centuries, with an average of 74. He didn't just help India win their first series in Australia, he was the architect, the foundation, the very soul of that victory. 1,258 balls faced in that series alone. Each ball a test of character. Each ball a statement: you'll have to go through May 1st, the ultimate warrior. Then came 2020-21. The series that showed us what a true champion looks like. Pujara scored fewer runs this time, but his impact was greater than ever. He turned his body into a shield. Ball after ball smashed into him. Bruises covered his frame. His ribs ached. His fingers bled. But he refused to give up. 23 hours he batted in that series. 23 hours of taking blow after blow, of standing when it hurt to stand, of batting when it hurt to hold the bat. That 77 in Sydney wasn't just an innings, it was poetry written in pain. It was a love letter to India, written with his blood. The man behind the numbers in first-class cricket, Pujara has scored over 21,000 runs with 66 centuries. His highest score? 352, showing us that when Pujara gets set, he doesn't just bat, he conquers. This wasn't just talent. This was obsession. This was a man who fell in love with batting as a child and never fell out of love. More than numbers, more than record, Pujara taught us that cricket isn't always about the spectacular. Sometimes, the greatest act of aggression is to simply refuse to get out. He showed us that serving your country doesn't always mean hitting the winning shot. Sometimes, it means taking the blow so your teammate doesn't have to. Sometimes, it means standing for hours under the scorching sun, facing the fastest bowlers in the world, just to give your team a chance. While Kohli gets the headlines and Rohit gets the applause, Pujara deserves something more precious, our respect. Our gratitude. Our acknowledgement that heroes don't always roar, sometimes, they whisper through their actions. He is third on the list for facing the most balls for India in Test wins. Think about that, when India won, chances are Pujara was there, facing ball after ball, building the platform for victory. A final salute. Cheteshwar Pujara didn't just play for India, he suffered for India. He didn't just score runs, he earned every single one through patience, through pain, through pure, unbreakable will. His 19 centuries aren't just numbers in a record book. They're monuments to dedication. His scars aren't just marks on his body, they're medals of honor. To the man who made patience an art form, who turned defense into poetry, who showed us that sometimes the greatest way to attack is to simply not give up, thank you. Thank you, Che. Thank you for bleeding for us. Thank you for standing when it hurt to stand. Thank you for showing us that heroes come in all forms. Your name might not echo as loudly in stadiums, but it's carved forever in the hearts of those who understand what true service looks like. The Wall of India. The silent guardian. The unsung hero. Cheteshwar Arvind Pujara, a man who put everything on the line for the love of his country. Remember his name.